Hey cupcakes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second look in my Harry Potter series with Hufflepuff House. Let's get into it. Starting off with my base, I'm using ColourPop's concealer as my eyeshadow base. I'm blending that out with a fluffy brush. I'm going all the way around my eye and blowing that out because I'm planning on doing a smoky eye, so that is where the eyeshadow is going to be touching. Going in with yellow pigment, this is Mehron's yellow eyeshadow. It's very, very pigmented, and a fluffy brush, and blending that all the way around the eye. With a more compact blending brush and black eyeshadow, I'm starting to create the yellow and black smoky eye. Definitely take your time with this. Blending black does take time and patience. I'm taking more black on the same brush and packing that on there so we can get the full intensity. Going in with Mehron Black Water Activated Paints, I'm starting to draw out some graphic lines. I didn't have a sketch or anything in mind. I just kind of free did this, and this was actually like my fourth take on doing it because it's very difficult to do graphic liner and get them absolutely symmetrical. Definitely not my strong suit. So here we are practicing. I feel like when most people think of Hufflepuff, they think whimsical, and I wanted to do something else that was a little bit out of that norm. I feel like if I were Hufflepuff, then I would definitely be very edgy Hufflepuff, so that's kind of where my idea came from. We're starting off the face with foundation, whatever foundation you'd like to use. I'm using e.l.f. foundation in Porcelain. This foundation isn't full coverage. I don't usually like to use full coverage foundations. I like something just very light coverage. I wasn't feeling eyebrows for this look. Putting some Shape Tape concealer on top of them and blending that out. With the same yellow pigment, I'm starting to draw out the rough draft of where the skull is going to be. Put a little concealer on my lips because we also want to conceal those as well. With a smaller fluffy brush and the yellow pigment, I'm starting to add where each of the teeth are going to be. With the same fluffy brush, I'm drawing out the temples. With yellow body paint, I'm now filling in each of the cheekbone areas. With a small shader brush and black eyeshadow, I'm starting to sketch out where the inside of the cheekbone is going to be. Going in with black body paint, I'm starting to add the stripes on the inside of each of the cheekbones. With a dense packing brush and the same black eyeshadow, I'm now adding the shade inside of the cheekbone to give it depth. Going back in with the small shader brush, I'm now adding where each of the teeth are going to be. I'm putting that black eyeshadow down just as a base for when the black body paint goes on top of it. Now going in with black body paint, I'm adding where each of those lines are going to be for the teeth. I'm also taking that black body paint around each of the cheekbones to start outlining them. I'm drawing out each of these lines on top of the cheekbones and underneath. I don't know, I just felt like I needed something a little bit more, and I really like how these turned out. It kind of reminds me of pincers from a spider. I'm going in and deepening up the temples now with black eyeshadow. Taking the yellow eyeshadow, and I'm now going around the whole face just to give it a little bit of a yellow glow and blending it down my forehead. Adding black body paint on top of that just to make it pop a little bit more. Now to start the nose, I'm taking the yellow eyeshadow from before and starting to lay that down first, and then taking the black body paint and starting to sculpt out where that nose is going to be. And just blending that out with another blending brush. With NYX's glitter primer, I'm laying that down with my finger. It's easier than using a brush for areas that you're going to be using a lot. On a fluffy brush, I'm now adding the glitter right on top. I accidentally opened the glitter bottle, and of course the worst thing that could happen is it spilled all over my desk. So at that rate, I just needed to use a bunch of it. So I put that right all over my forehead and on my nose, on my chin. To finish off the look, I'm taking black gel eyeliner and adding the eyeliner and mascara, some lower lashes, and that's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. I hope you're enjoying this Harry Potter series. See you in the next one. Bye. Expecto